So today, August 9th, right here, as you can see, 2021, Saudi Arabia sentences dozens of Palestinians and Jordanians. So that's the reason why this news is trending. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, we're going to continue with the top 5 print-on-demand niche research of the week, episode 32. So without further ado, let's get right into it. As usual, at the end of this video, we're going to release the name of the person who won our last week's giveaway. So if you'd like to know who won, stick around to the end. Let's get right into the top 5 niches of this week. Niche number 1 is this Palestinian shirt. And like I said in the beginning of the video, the reason why this shirt is trending is because, as you can see here, August 9th, which is today, 2021, Saudi Arabia sentences dozens of Palestinians and Jordanians. So I opened up the page to find out why this happened and to find out more reasons why this is happening. And it says the court sentenced Hamas representative in Saudi Arabia, Mohammed al-Qudari, to 15 years. And I don't want to read all of this, so we always have to attack a niche when it's hot, strike the iron when it's hot. That's what they say. And this is a prime example of that. As you can see, the reason, Saudi Arabia sentenced Palestinians. Obviously, that's the reason why this Palestinian shirt is trending. And already, right now, the people have bought it. This is in the French marketplace, and right now already 33 people have bought it, no reviews. And whenever this happens, it's because the niche is trending. People haven't had time to submit their reviews yet, but I've just purchased it. This is one of the ways that I use to find niches that are trending. So let's take a look at right here. It has no bullet points, just a description, and they're saying that this one is for a men as well as the women. So it's just a general description. But I advise that if you want to target this niche, don't write anything related to killings and things like that, because obviously Amazon is going to bring down the listing. So if you want to target it just as this person is doing. Just Palestine is the name of a country, and it has nothing to do with the killings that is taking place right now, because the description doesn't say anything like that. And the reason why there's no BSR is because, like I told you, that it's a new shirt that is still gathering its momentum, and you're not seeing the BSR yet because it was released just some few days ago, and it has already sold 33 times. So it's still waiting to get its BSR. So the keywords that you can use: Palestine, drapeau is a French word for flag. So Palestine, flag, retro, Palestinians, women, vintage, and things like that. That's the keywords that you can use. They have similar designs and from the same brand, the same design on different products. And here it has sold. Here it hasn't sold. So this is actually, it looks like the European marketplace. I don't know which one, maybe Spanish or so. Pounds. This should be UK. Actually, it's UK marketplace. And right here it's on a hoodie and also on a hoodie. So this is a different type of design. All of them have sold except this one. So that was it for niche number 1. Niche number 2 is this health. This shirt, it says my body, my choice. So it has this vaccine with a cross sign there. So this is actually in the French marketplace, and the reason why I chose this is because it's related to C19, and still people don't want to take the vaccine. They're like, my body, my choice, just like the design says. And they're still skeptical about the potency of the vaccine. People have died from the complications of the vaccine. People have taken the vaccine and still had C19. So some people are like, it's really of no use. I've heard that some people have taken the vaccines and still had the C19 and died from complications of the C19. So some people are like, let whatever happens happen to me. I really don't want to take the vaccine because I'm not sure of the potency of the vaccine. So some people are actually protesting right now because kids are going back to school, and the In some countries, the government is insisting that the kids take vaccines before they go back to school. So some parents are protesting it. So it's really a gray area right there around this C19 vaccine. So there are several shirts, to and against it, and both of them are selling. And this is an example of one that is against it and is selling. This one has 37 sales and hasn't had reviews yet. Just like I told you before, whenever I see a design like this is a prime example of a shirt that has started selling in just a short space of time. And like I said, it hasn't gathered any BSR because it has it's just gathering its momentum. So keywords you can use is vaccine. I will be careful with this vaccine, guys. You can just I wouldn't include vaccine. If I were the one creating the t-shirt, I wouldn't include vaccine. I will just include keywords like my body, my choice. That's basically what I will say. I'll also say health, my body, my choice. I wouldn't include things like vaccine because Amazon is very, very strict in that area. So yes, similar designs. Let me live my life. This is actually in French. Laissez-moi vivre ma vie. And this one hasn't sold quite well. So guys, that was it for niche number 2. Niche number 3 is this Patria Vida, guys. So I did some search on Flying Research and I searched for the word Patria Vida and I searched for the results in the US marketplace because that's primarily where I'll be posting, and I saw two results actually, two results for Patria Vida, and both of them have been filed. So the reason why you're seeing this shirt trending, this Patria Vida, or doing quite well is because these trademarks haven't been enforced yet. They have been filed, as you can see, filed, and filed on clothing. And I wouldn't advise that you get into this niche or get into the word Patria Vida, because once that word Patria Vida becomes live, your shirt will be in trouble. So these are the kind of things that I look at and I determine if to get into a niche or not. So this t-shirt Patria Vida is a prime example of t-shirts that you shouldn't approach, because it's very possible that this trademark can be live today, tomorrow, or next week, and you don't want to put your account in at risk just because of one t-shirt design that is trending. But if you want to attack this niche, if you want to get into this niche, that's your decision to make. And if you want to get into this niche, of course, I will always allow you to make your decision. And as you can see, overall trend is up, and the keywords you can use, wow, why are these keywords so long? Patria, of course, Patria Vida. You know what? One thing that I've noticed is that Amazon, they like to scan through your keywords like this. So if you were to put Patria Vida on your shirt and you don't include in your keywords, you know what? I don't even want to go there. Once people are filed for it, just search for a different niche to get into. I don't even want to say that. Okay, so guys, for the keywords, love Cuba, that's why Patria Vida, Cuba, and things like that. So this is from the same brand, Vivi Cuba Libre, and Patria Vida Cuba with peace. A dove, which is a peace sign, and this one is a hand, like Black Lives Matter kind of hand, but it's with a Cuban flag. So that was it for niche number 3. It's not really like a niche, but I just had to put it out there. But I'll go over to the next niche, number 4. Actually, I have one extra niche, so I just put 6 niches just in case. Just wanted to put one bonus niche there. So this is number 4, niche number 4. It's actually a birthday or anniversary kind of gift shirt for those who are bike lovers. So as you can see, there's a bike right here, and it says classic. Of course, we know of the classic birthday shirts, classic anniversary shirts. So this one has a 1990. Some will have the date of birth, like some will have the dates like 18 years, but this one has just the year, like 1990. So this is for bike lovers, as you can tell. So the keywords you can use is classic shirt, classic birthday shirt, and of course, before I go ahead, I just want to quickly mention that you can use, like as I've been telling you before, change the 1990 to 1991, 1992, 1993. You can even start from 1960. Yeah, I usually start from 1960, then climbing up till 2021. So that's what I would advise anyone to do. And from the same brand, let's see, none of them have sold yet. Maybe it's because the new designs are sold, or maybe it's the price. So niche number 5 is another birthday shirt or anniversary shirt, something like that. And this one, what's funny about it is it's just a plain white design, guys. Grunge and plain white text that anyone can create, and it says life begins at 1971. I usually start from 1960, but you can also start from 1971. It says the birth of legends, and this is our 50th birthday present, and it's priced at 1647 in, let's just one marketplace, or this Italian marketplace. 18 sales, no reviews yet. And the keywords you can use: birthday, vintage, 50th birthday, family, and all the like. See, it has similar designs and from the same brand. This one has sold. This has sold. This is a v-neck shirt or something. I see little v-neck right there. So this has sold. This hasn't sold yet, and this one hasn't sold yet. So that was it for niche number 5. Or moving over to the bonus niche. So this bonus niche is actually funny. So the reason why I chose it is because it's actually in the French marketplace, and it says mon groupe sanguin c'est 0 plus Ricard. So it says my blood group is 0 plus Ricard. Ricard is actually, I did the research, Ricard is the name of an alcoholic drink, and plus Ricard means it's an addition of alcohol in his system. So he's basically telling you that his blood is alcoholic, or he has alcohol in his blood. So this is for those who drink alcohol, beer in general, alcohol in general. And it's also a funny shirt. And in the French marketplace, that's where this shirt is. It's priced $16.99, over 30 sales, 2 reviews, and overall trend is up, as you can see from here. Keywords: alcohol, beer, wine, funny. I will be careful with this word though, this Ricard, because that's the name of a drink, and I think I did a search for Ricard. Let's see if I haven't mistaken. Oh yes, so I did a search for Ricard, and I was surprised to see that the name Ricard isn't trademark on clothing. So that's one of the things that I do. I search if it's trademark on clothing, because that's what we're doing. And as you can see right here, this is books. We're not searching for books. The next Ricard, graphic designs, no. The next Ricard, graphic design. That's the reason why I even thought about including this niche in the top 5 niches, because I checked for the name Ricard, the trademark, on the French marketplace and even the other marketplaces, guys. So it's just 3 results I found, and none of them are trademark on clothing, because if it was trademarked on clothing, then we will have a problem with that, because there's just putting your account at risk, like I showed you in the Patria Evita case, where we found a result in the US being filed for the US being filed for Patria Evita. Right here you see clothing. That's why I was telling you to be careful with this, because it has already been filed, and if it is accepted, if it becomes live, then your design is at risk. That's why I was telling you that the decision is actually yours to make, if to submit a design now and start getting sales and then risk your account, or if just to leave the niche, the Cuban flag niche. Actually, the Cuban flag is not a problem. It's the word Patria Evita that's a problem. So if you want to enter this niche, I'll advise you to put something like Cuban flag, because that Cuban flag has nothing to do with the word Patria Evita. So if I were to attack this niche, that is what I would do. I would just avoid Patria Evita as a whole to keep our account safe. So guys, we're going to move to the second part of this video, which is picking the winner of our last week's giveaway. So as usual, I've collected the link of our last YouTube video, and I'm going to get the YouTube comments. Then I'm going to pick a random winner. So congratulations to you, Yonko Shanks, for winning this week's giveaway. You can contact me using my email from my video. Just come here to my homepage, channel homepage, and go to the about page, grab my email address from here and shoot me an email, and we're going to schedule a one-on-one call. You can ask me any questions you want. And guys, if you want to enter the next week's giveaway, just leave your comments in the comment section below about anything, and I'll reply you, and you'll automatically be entered for next week's giveaway. So guys, that's it for today. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about Binance and KDB, there's a channel for you. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notifications so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.